Assalamualaikum. My name is Amsyad Zambi Muhammad Zamri from Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan Temenggong. In this video, I want to answer the question, to which extent does Bahasa Melayu ensure the unity of our country as a Malaysian? To answer this question, we have to look back on history. According to an article written by Alan Teh Liam Seng on March 2nd, 1967, the Prime Minister at that time, Tunku Abdul Rahman, said the national language was the one and only means of binding together the peoples of various origins in the country. On the same day, the Finance Minister Tan Siew Sin described the day as auspicious and historic for the country. After Bahasa Melayu has been mandated to be used in schools, Tunku Abdul Rahman urges everyone to learn the language. Undeniably, a Prime Minister urging the people to learn and use Bahasa Melayu shows just how important the Malay language is in the unification of our nation. Next, if we go back to modern times, the national language plays a significant role in integrating unity in a higher education institution. This is according to a research paper done by Azizah Yaakob, Nur Aziah Muhammad Awal, Fazilah Idris, Zahara Hassan, Saran Kaur and Mansur Muhammad Nur from Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia. The team has done a survey to see how far is the Malay language used inside and outside of campus. The report shows that a significant number of people use Bahasa Melayu in their day-to-day activities. Most of them also believe that Bahasa Melayu can unite our society because Bahasa Melayu is understood by all Malaysians. So, without a doubt, Bahasa Melayu is an integral factor in uniting our nation. If we look the question at hand from a different perspective, according to a paper published by Yang Yo from Harvard University, Language, Unification, Labor and Ideology, the paper researches the effects of Putonghua, or more commonly known as Standard Mandarin, and its abilities to unite the people of China. Schools in China specifically use Putonghua in their curriculum. This becomes a whole new issue when local people prefer to teach their children to speak in their own local language or dialect. So, these children have to learn a new language just to be able to keep up in school. The data in the paper shows that even though students have to learn a new language, they are still performing much better with the help of a standard language. This is because the students are able to understand the subjects taught by teachers perfectly because of the ease of communication. Undoubtedly, the standardization of a language has given positive effects in the effort of uniting a nation. So, to sum it all up, one thing that all these situations share is that the national language, in this case Bahasa Melayu, is an important factor in uniting the variety of cultures and races in our country. It helps because if everyone can understand each other and sympathize with each other, then there would be no conflict happening between them. Not only that, it would also increase a nation's productivity. I hope this has answered the question given to me.